watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and I couldn't agree more. Especially during Christmas, this is where we bake cookies, prepare family meals, and share stories. However, decorating a kitchen can be tricky because we still need space to cook. Today, I want to share some simple, cozy, and practical ideas to bring the holiday spirit into your kitchen without creating clutter. So, let's get started. First, let's start with the classics. A mini Christmas tree on the counter with simple ornaments adds instant cheer. Pair it with red heart and berry garlands, or hung evergreen wreaths with red ribbons on your cabinet doors. For a touch of nostalgia, try a red, white, and green pom-pom garland. Add some candy cane decor and switch out your daily towels for plaid Christmas textiles. It feels very homey. If you prefer fresh greenery, place an evergreen garland across a shelf and add some blooming bulbs, like paperwhites or amaryllis. It brings a fresh, cool holiday feel to the room. For an elegant look, use an evergreen wreath decorated with metallic ornaments. You can also place silver and gold ornaments in a bowl on your island, or use silver wreaths and candles for a sophisticated glow. Sometimes, less is more. A simple evergreen garland paired with a natural floral arrangement creates a calm, organic holiday atmosphere. For a rustic look, use baskets filled with cotton arrangements or snowy Christmas trees. Mixing evergreens with winter berries creates a lovely winter wonderland effect. Spruce up your coffee corner with evergreen and berry wreaths. Display your red and white mugs and add some striped ribbons. It makes your morning coffee feel extra special. Bring the outdoors in by placing evergreen trees in pots in the corners of your kitchen. Pair them with evergreen and pine cone wreaths for a true woodland feel. You can never go wrong with tradition. Use evergreen wreaths detailed with pine cones and berries tied with a beautiful red ribbon. It is timeless. For that cozy farmhouse style, drape evergreen garlands entwined with warm lights. Add a round wreath and some candles to make the kitchen feel warm and inviting in the evening. If you have limited space, try a small posy arrangement with berries and a few mini Christmas trees in pots. It's natural, subtle, and doesn't take up much counter space. Another farmhouse idea is to mix evergreen wreaths and topiaries with small red touches, perhaps red berries or a red pot. It adds just the right amount of color. Don't be afraid to mix greens. An evergreen wreath with pine cones, red blooms, and a eucalyptus arrangement creates beautiful texture. Finish it with a classic red bow. I love plaid for the holidays. Combine evergreen wreaths with plaid ribbons. You can also add a mini tree with red ornaments and matching plaid table linens. It makes your morning coffee feel extra special. Simply drape a greenery garland with pine cones and fairy lights over a window or doorway. It frames the room perfectly. As you can see, you don't need to renovate your entire kitchen to make it festive. Just a few wreaths, some warm lights, or a touch of greenery can make all the difference. I hope these ideas inspire you to create a warm and welcoming space for your family this season. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!